How to build the interfaces in Java. Let us code a uh, sample example interface. Public interface I test. It's a good practice to name the interface starting with the I. Now let us build. Let us have a function that is abstract. Test method string test. What is wrong with this one? It does not have a return type. I get. Let's add a return type and see. Now it's passes. Now let's define a class that implements uh, this interface. Implements I test. Let's try this code. What happens? It declares that my test is not abstract or does not override abstract method test method in iTest. So we declared the interface iTest and which have a method that's we declared as abstract. Then any implementing class is supposed to uh, either be abstract or should have a concrete implementation of this method. So let's implement this method here. Public boolean test method string test. Now we have to have a return value here, and let us see what's the code. Now it's compiles properly. So let's have let's instantiate a class of my test, new my test. Let's run this code and then examines my test. So it prints out the representation of the my test or the hash code. My test hash code. Let us see whether that is definition hash code. It is a definition. So let's say my test hash code. It should give an error. Hash cannot be referenced by static context. Now let's see my test get class. What is the class of this object? Let's say my test get class or get methods. We get an array of the methods in that class. Now let's see first method. Let us see properties of this. There's no such thing as a get properties for this method. Now let us call the function we define my test dot test method. Suppose we Simply without calling is variable test method is not defined. Then we call it, so we have to supply a for argument. Test string, you put as an argument. It returns false because we defined it to return false here. That's all for now. Thank you.